Hi, we're staying at the Salisbury-Stonehenge Holiday Inn. So guess where we might be going next? This is a standard twin room. We've had a nice stay here, but just be aware that this room's been lived in. It's not like this when you arrive. It was perfect when we arrived. But we'll show you around anyway, so you can get your own ideas of what you think it's like. So in this room, when you come in, the first thing you notice is it's actually quite wide, and this full length mirror, which is really useful for like getting ready, but also just makes the room feel a lot bigger. Here's the bathroom, so let's have a look inside here. Why don't you go in, John, and have a look. This is a basic kind of bathroom.
I guess you can tell it might have aged a bit with the sink.
Yeah, I think the sink and the shower, because it's not a rainfall shower. And
it's all very clean though.
Yeah.
Actually, the positive about the shower, it's really big.
Yeah.
So that's really good.
I think you notice that it's not new because of the unit as you get in. It's like raised.
Oh
when
yeah.
You have like new ones. It's all like flush, isn't it, to the floor? It's only little things, not things that bother you really. There's a little bit of wear and tear. Like obviously we've got to get into here, this hidden water closet area, and they've taken off the mastic but not replaced it. There's things like that, and your odd marks and things like I don't know whether that's like a cobweb or don't know. There's a mark on there, but there's lots of little things like that. If you're like a person that looks for the imperfections and details,
Which we don't,
because it's perfectly fine for the money. It was quite good, wasn't it? So inside here's the wardrobe, and they provide you with everything you probably would need: an ironing board, iron, and a heater, and there's a safe down there to keep
some drawers.
Heating. Some nice drawers.
Put your knickers in.
Has it got a Bible?
No Bible.
No Bible. And when you come in the room, they set it up as if it's just one person. So in the actual bathroom, for us anyway, for towels wear for one person, you have to come and look in the wardrobe. Quite easy to find. The hand towel and bath towel were here for the second person. There's little nods towards Stonehenge because you can see on the wallpaper where it's butterflies. I didn't notice the stars.
This is the main part of the room, so you've got a little desk to work on. And then in here, the amenity tray. So it's got tea, coffee, biscuits. We didn't have any of it because we're not really into that kind of coffee.
Sneaky. What are you doing there then?
For the journey. So we went for the twin room. So you could have, in our range, the cheapest room, you could have double or twin. So we went for twin, but they're actually pushed together anyway, so it makes a king or super king. I think super king, isn't it, when you put two singles together?
Yeah, super king.
Yeah, the beds are really comfy, really nice. The view is not so good. So the view is of Home Bargains Distribution Centre. So
and training, don't forget this, training for southern England.
Yeah. But there's loads of things around, like McDonald's, Harvester, KFC, Taco Bell, a big Tesco, I think, Asda Express, petrol station. Festival, Stonehenge is only about 10 minutes away. The area by the bed, we have to move the chair because in the night it's quite tight to get around. So we move that out of the way and actually move the beds as well out of the way. TV's a nice size, all good. We didn't watch it very much.
Quality of it, you said you picked up on the fact that it wasn't like Ultra HD or anything. It's quite fuzzy, you said.
Yeah, TV's not, even though it's Samsung, it's super standard, so it's like not a very good picture. When was it built, this one?
2007?
Yeah, and apparently it was done up in 2015. Not sure if it's been done up since. It might have been. But...
Yeah, like when we first arrived and we saw the hotel from the outside, we thought it was actually like a brand new hotel, and we were quite surprised how old it was because it looks quite new from the outside. And the foyer, as always in a lot of the hotels, is quite really new, and it's been restyled. When you come into the rooms, on first sight, it looks really modern and really new, but there is a little bit of wear and tear, which you'd expect. It isn't awful, and we definitely would stay here again.
And now I'm going to interview Paul. So last night we went to the bar.
That's true. So what do you want to know? We went for a couple of pints at the bar. They have lagers on tap. They didn't have anything like bitter or pale ale or anything on taps, but they have bottles, pint bottles. We thought it was about £6 a pint, which is reasonable for in a hotel, I think.
I had Chris and it was 15.
Yeah, so Yeah, the crisps were like £1.50 for a small bag, which I think is quite normal for like in a pub or a hotel type thing. I mean, yeah, what do you expect?
Yeah, it's quite a nice setting, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was very calm, quiet. I think it was I think at the moment it's a week before half term, and it's like out of season now really because it's October. I think it's really quiet. Like we went on a Friday night. We was kind of expecting there to be a lot of people getting ready to go to Stonehenge on Saturday, but it was actually dead. Really, we were like one of like 4 other people in the whole of like the downstairs. It was really, really, really quiet and empty, which suited us. And then this morning we went back there. It's in the same place, and we had breakfast, and the breakfast was really varied. There was a lot of choice. There was continental cheeses and things, and then there was also like the English breakfast, which we had, of course. And
it was probably as warm as the welcome.
It was like complete contempt. It was a warm breakfast. It wasn't hot. So if you like all your beans to be hot and your sausage, because it's a buffet, so you're not getting it made to order. And I think, to be honest, the breakfast was probably, because we were there at 7 o'clock, it was ready at 7.
Yeah.
They just didn't allow you through, so I think it had just been sitting there for half an hour.
Because buffets can be hot because the one where we live, like, is warm.
Yeah.
When you have it. I suppose it's just been made. But...
That's just been made, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're like early risers, aren't we?
Yeah. So the room costs £106. So breakfast was £6 each. So just £12 on top of the room
That's
price.
a bargain, I think.
Yeah, I think it was good for that. Quite well appointed.
The sheets are nice, the bedding's nice,
Yeah.
and they're very clean, and the actual mattress was right sort of softness.
Yeah, we'd definitely stay again.
I would. It's really convenient.
Yeah.
For getting to the West Country.
Yeah.
And it also is just nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a nice hotel.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. If you want to see any other videos with hotel tours or our holidays, cruises, then check out our channel.
Also, if you have a butterfly phobia, it might not be the room for you. All these butterflies everywhere. Yeah, but if you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe. We've got lots of other videos, and we'll also be putting our video on of
Stonehenge.
Stonehenge.